Hello everyone. Today we start a new chapter, chapter number 3, building estimate. So in a building estimate, we estimate the total quantity of the material required or a total quantity of the work to be done by the worker is calculated. So in this chapter, we have two methods to calculate the total quantity. So first method is a long wall short wall method and second method is a center line method. So for the long wall short wall method, we discuss about the different building component. We take a different building component and discuss on it and calculate the total quantity of the material and work to be done. Now we start with an example of the long wall short wall method. So we start example number 1. So before starting of the example, we discuss some of the important point during the calculation time. So in a calculation of the building estimate, compulsory we require measurement sheet. So in a measurement sheet, total 7 column is given. So in a first column, item number is given. So we write item number as a 1 2 3 4. Next is item description. So what you want to do or what you want to calculate or estimate. So compulsory write in a item description. Third one is the numbers. So what is number? So if any single item is repeated, so we write as a number. Like if 10 meter length wall is repeated, so this 10 meter wall repeated wall is 2 times repeated, so we write here number is a 2. Now L is a length of the length, we write a length in a meter. Next is the B is the width of the meter, width of the any particular item, and sixth one column show the height, depth or thickness in the form of the meter, and at the last we find out the total quantity by multiplying of the all the columns like number, length, width and height of the any particular work. Now let's see this figure. In a estimation example compulsory plan, elevation and section is given. So from the plan we calculate the total length, width or a size of the any particular work, and from the elevation we got the exact idea about the height of the particular work, and from the section we get the width or depth of any work. So let's we start example number 1. So find out the total quantity of the excavation for a foundation trench shown in a figure. In a figure, plan, elevation and section is given for a foundation trench. So see this figure. In a figure, room size is given 4 by 3 meter. So here 4 meters show the length and 3 meters show the width of the room. So inner part is a 4 by 3 meter. Clear? And 0.9 meter width is a wall width is given. So we find out the total quantity of the excavation. So see this figure. In a section part, excavation part is shown. So from the ground level 1.2 meter depth, from the ground level 1.2 meter depth and 0.9 meter width excavation is required. Clear? So first we start how to calculate the excavation for a foundation trench quantity by the long wall short wall method. So first we select a long wall. So here 4 meter show the long part. So here we write a 4 meter. Clear? Plus 0.9 meter. So 0.9 meter write as a this part square part as the 0.9 meter, because 4 meter is the inner part of the room, means this point to this point 4 meter dimension is given, and 0.9 meter is another part. So we write a 4 plus 0.9 plus 0.9 is a total is a 5.8 meter. land. Clear? So this type of the wall we seen exactly two walls. First wall is here and second wall is another side is given. So here we write a number of the wall is 2. Length is already we calculate is 5.8. Now width is we exactly seen from the section part, or also we seen in a plan part. So 0.9 meter is a width, and height or depth or thickness. So for the excavation we count as a depth. So in a section part depth is given 1.2 meter. So right here 1.2 meter. Now from the long wall side, total excavation for a foundation is a 12.528 cubic meter or a meter cube. So why we calculate the length, width and depth? Because excavation always count in a meter cube. Now we start a second part is a short wall. So short wall length is a 3 meter. Clear? So already given in a plan. And we are not including the 0.9 meter and 0.9 meter both the side, because this part square part is already in a both the side already calculated in a long wall. So this part is already calculated and this part is already calculated and included in a long wall. So we are calculate only short wall part. So length is a 3 meter is right, and here 3 meter, two wall is given, one part is here and second part is here. So here we write a 2 meter. Then after length is given 3 meter. Then after width is given 0.9, and then after height or depth is given 1.2 meter, already shown in a section part. So 1.2 meter. So total quantity is a 6.48 cubic meter. So this cubic meter is the only shortest part. Now summation of the long wall side and short wall side. So total cubic meter quantity for the excavation for a foundation trenches is a 19.008 cubic meter. So it's a basic example for finding out the excavation for a foundation trenches. Now we take a second example. So see, in this example one wall is given. So here all the dimensions are given in a mm. So but we write here in a meter. Clear? So here in a dimension we discuss about the dimension. So here 200 mm wall thickness is given. Then after step footing is given. So in a step footing second is a 300 mm step, and then after 400 mm step. So from the plan part you exactly seen the total length of the wall is a 3000 mm. Means 3 meter is the total length of the wall, 200 mm is the width of the wall, 300 mm is the step of the in a step footing step of the wall, and then after 400 mm is another step. And from the elevation part dimension is height is not given, but we take a height as a standard height is a 3 meter height as a height of the wall. Clear? And here thickness of the step we take a 0.2 meter and here 0.2 meter. Clear? So here 20 centimeter or 10 centimeter we take. If you require if you take a 0.1 meter as a height of the step. So let's we start a calculation. So here we write a comment height, we take 3 meter height of the wall, and Now we take a step thickness is a 0.1 meter. Clear? So first step 1, how to calculate the brickwork for a step footing for a wall. So here first we start from the bottom of the brickwork. So here see this cursor. So from bottom of the brickwork 400 mm width and total length is a 3000 mm and thickness we take a 0.1 meter. So first step 1 length L is equal to 3000 mm means 3 meter, and here no any step footing is provided at the both the side at here and here, so no step at the end of the work. So here only simple step footing is provided on both the side, not a end side is provided. So we take a length is only simple 3 meter. So here number of the this work is only single wall is given. So we write here 1, length is a 3 meter, width from the section part we exactly seen the width is a 400 mm means 0.4 meter, and height, depth or thickness. So here we take a thickness is a 0.1 meter. So your total quantity is a 0.12 cubic meter as a brickwork quantity. Now we take a second step. So see this figure, second step is a 300 mm width and height is a 0.1 meter, and we write a length is equal to 3 meter because here no steps at the end. So first we counting as a number as a 1, length is a 3 meter, width is already given in a section part is a 0.3 meter, and height is we take a 0.1 meter. So it's a second step. Now we take a third step is a 200 mm width is a third step, and height we take a 3 meter. Clear? So here we write a length L is equal to 3 meter. We take a number as a wall 1, length is a 3 meter. So length is already given in a plan part. So length is 3000 mm means 3 meter. Width we take a 200 mm. See this point, 200 mm is a width means we take in a meter, 0.2 meter, and height is we take a 3 meter. So here total quantity of the 3 step is a 0.12 cubic meter, step 2 0.09 cubic meter, and third step 1.8 cubic meter. So now summation of the all the 3 values, we got a total quantity of the brickwork is at 2.01 cubic meter. So here 2.01 cubic meter. So as per the standard calculation, so in a 1 meter cube we require total quantity of the 500 numbers of brick required to complete the brickwork of the 1 meter cube. So in a 2.01 meter cube, how many quantity of the brick is required? So we easily calculate the total quantity of the brick or total number of the brick is required during the brickwork to complete the brickwork. Now we start example number 3. So in example, find out the total quantity of the brickwork for a step footing for a wall shown in a figure. So in a figure, plan, elevation and end view of the wall is given. So see this figure here. In a figure, plan, elevation and end view, or a section, sometime of the section view is given. So in a plan, total length of the wall, not a step, total length of the wall is a 3000 mm. Here height of the wall is given in elevation is a 2000 mm, and the step height is given 200 mm, 200 mm. Clear? And width of the step is given 400 mm, 300 mm, and wall width is given 200 mm. Now we start a brickwork for a step footing wall. So first we start from the bottom part of the wall. Here length is given. So how to calculate the length? So length is first we calculate for the bottom step. See this cursor point. So from the bottom step, so compulsory we add this one and this one, 2 offset from here and 2 offset length from here. So these 4 offset length is given. We calculate from the end view. So here wall thickness is 200 mm is given, and from the step 1 wall width or a thickness is given 400 mm. So here difference between the step 1 and step 3 is a 200 mm. So how to calculate 200 mm? So 400 minus 200. So 200 mm is a total offset length. So offset length is a 100 mm from right side and 100 mm for a left side. So here 50 mm and 50 mm. Similarly 100 mm is divided into 2 parts, 50 mm and 50 mm. So total 400 and 200 mm. So total is a 100 mm. So here we write a total length is a 3 meter plus 100 mm for this side. So 100 mm now convert into meter, 0.1 plus 0.1 for a right side and for a left side. So here total quantity is a 3.2 meter length. So sorry, total length is a 3.2 meter. So here this size wall is only single wall, so we write as a number as a wall. Here length is already calculated, is a 3.2 meter, and width is calculated from the end view figure. So here 400 mm, so now convert into meter, so it's a 0.4 meter, and height or a thickness is already given in a elevation is a 200 mm. So you write here convert into meter is a 0.2 meter. So total quantity is a 0.256 cubic meter. Now we take a step 2. So first we calculate the length. So length of the wall is given 3000 mm, plus we add up 1 offset and second offset. So here 1 and 2 offset length. So 200 mm is a width of the wall, and 300 mm second step of the width. So a difference between the 300 and 200, 100 mm is a difference. So offset of the summation of the offset of the both the side is a 100 mm. So now we add up 50 mm and 50 mm of both the side. So we write here 3 plus 0.05 plus 0.05. So 50 mm is converted into meter. So 50 mm for a right side, this side, and 50 mm for a this side. So 300 minus 200 is 100 mm. 100 mm is divided into 2 parts, 50 mm, 50 mm. So 50 mm for a right side and 50 mm for a left side. So total is a 3.1 meter. Clear? So here number is a 1, only single wall is given. So here number is a 1, length is 3.1 meter, width is a 300 mm. So here write in a meter is a 0.3 meter, and height is given in a elevation is a 200 mm. We write here 0.2 meter. So total quantity of the second step is a 0.186 cubic meter. Now we calculate the third step. Third step length is given, simple length is given. So length is a 3 meter. So here we write a 3 meter. Then after number is given 1, length is a 3 meter, width is already given in a figure 200 mm, so we write here 0.2 mm, 0.2 meter, and height is a 2000 mm, so 2000 mm convert into meter is a height is a 2 meter. So total quantity for a step 3 is 1.2 cubic meter. Now total brickwork for a step footing for a wall is a summation of the step 1, step 2 and step 3 is a summation of the 0.256, 0.186 and 1.2. So we got a value is a 1.642 is the total quantity in a meter cube as a brickwork for a step footing. Now as per the easy calculation in a 1 meter cube required 500 numbers of the brick. So in a 1.642 cubic meter how many bricks is required, so we easily calculate the total quantity of the brick.